So now that we have the database ready, we're going to look at the source code and tell our project about the database. To do that, we're going to open up the project. I'm using Visual Studio Code. You can use whatever editor you're familiar with. Under the project, there's a config folder. You go into it. There's an app.php file. You open that up. Right here, there's a array named data sources, and then underneath there's a subarray called default. There are three items that you want to set: username, password, and database. This is your database name right here, your username and password for your database. So you just enter those in here, save it, and then close it. So now that we did that, we want to go into the command line. So open up your command line, and you want to cd into your project folder. For me, it's polling. And then you basically want to type in the following commands. You want to type in bin/cake. If you're using a Unix system, you want to use a /. I'm using the backslash because I'm on Windows. So it's bin/cake space bake all users. We're going to go down the table names basically. You're going to do bake all users, bake all questions, bake all answers, and so forth. So we're going to press enter at this point. So after it does this, again bring up the command line, change to the next table, questions. Okay. Let's do it for answers. Okay. Let's do it for question underscore histories. Okay. And lastly, let's do it for the roles table. Okay. So I want to talk about the bake CLI. What we just did is basically a command line interface. If you go to this URL in the CakePHP website, there are more details about the bake CLI and all its commands that you can use. I use the all command that basically creates all the scaffolding for our project. Creates the model, the table, classes, and the views. Okay. So, and there's some more information here at this page. Now that we ran those commands, let's go back to the console and let's do bin/cake server. As you can see, it tells you your built-in server is running at localhost 8765. So localhost 8765. Again, you get the default home page. However, if you do /users, you will get your users page. Basically, this is users/index. This is your index for the users. And then if you go to answers, and you can basically add, you can list, you can add a new user. As you can see, it's all empty right now, but we can actually use this. And this is one of the powerful things that CakePHP has to offer. Quick and rapid development right off the box. We're going to do more things with this. Obviously, this is just like a starter site.